So just tell me what you guys think about. Kiko Rose says, hello, I am looking for that. Yeah, so other people have been contacting. That's why I'm suggesting it. It's something that back when I was teaching for another company, it's something I thought about a lot. Like what could I do to make it more interactive, to where you actually, it's more tactile. It's more like you're doing it, and then you're sending me something, and then we're going back and forth on how we can make a system security plan better, or a plan of action and milestone. Another thing somebody suggested to me is that I actually give them an interview. One thing I would want to do that is actually put it out so that I could do an interview with you guys, one of you guys, and then we would play it for everyone, So this is some of the things I'm thinking about doing, like a more interactive thing. And I also have a way that I can do a live voice. So everybody who's watching this right now, if you had a comment you want to just chime in, Discord. I create a Discord account. You guys jump in, chime in. Maybe I interview you live on the Discord, or you interview me and then see how I respond, so that we can give those examples out to other people. Those are some of the things I'm thinking about doing. And a more interactive type thing would be kind of cool. But somebody asked me a question here that I want to answer. Somebody who signed up for Risk Management Framework Foundation said, hello, Bruce. Hope your evening is going smooth as planned. Sorry, this message is coming late. They said, I came across your video and YouTube captured my interest. And they're transitioning from a cybersecurity or information system auditing. They're transitioning to cybersecurity or information system security compliance. And I've recently passed the CISA exam and would like for you. By the way, that's a great certification. CISA is a great certification. Let me show you guys what that is. For those of you who don't know, CISA is a highly marketable certification. One of the top, I plan on getting it. I actually do not have that one, but that's one of the ones like I've seen some of my peers and managers have had. Here it is right here. It's from ISACA. Great organization, premier organization, I should say. They're looked up to, especially in the financial market. A lot of financial people in the fintech, banks, financial institutions look for the CISA and the CISM in particular, and it's right up there with the CISSP as far as many of them are concerned. But here it is right here. Great certification, something I've been thinking about getting myself. I was actually torn between this one and CEH. Anyway, they go on to say, let me see, read the rest of what they're saying here. I would like you to mentor me as well as assist me with resume and how to approach interviews. So if you're signed up for one of my courses, if you're a paying customer of one of my courses, then listen, you can contact me and I will look at your resume. I'll give you guidance. Mentorship's a bit much. I'm still working in this field. It's one of the features of this channel of my knowledge is that I'm actually in the field working. So anytime I tell you something, it's from my actual experience. And mentorship is something I would consulting, something I would kind of like to do. I just on a one-on-one basis, I've not done that much before. I know I could do it. I mean, I could totally do it. I've actually helped a few people out, but as far as charging and then how much time do I put into it, that's where I just don't know yet. So in lieu of that, I'm thinking of, instead of a mentorship or consulting one-on-one right now, which would be very expensive to do, I would like to do a more of an interactive type thing where I'll set up a mock system, an example system. I put it out there. And then what I do is I have you guys do an assessment for me on that system. I have you guys write a poem for that system. I have you guys write a system security plan for that system. And that would be a part of the training that I have on ConvoCourses.com. And that's something I'm thinking about doing. And then what we could do is I get your work. Like, say you wrote a plan of action and milestone for a CM1, and we would go through it, and I could actually share that with more people who are in our community. So that's one thing I'm thinking about doing instead of mentoring. What do you guys think about that?